Let's go and create one more field, which is the estimated time. So now you will have to decide what will be the estimated time thing. What data type would you store there? So let's say you want to store the estimated time in number of hours. So it will be a number field. There I need a number. Okay. So on the label, I just want to give an indication that it is in number of.
I have a question.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah, can we use date and time?
No, date and time is for specifying a particular time. Okay. But here in estimated, that is what we'll have to understand, that like in estimated time, are you talking about a particular time, or you are talking about number of hours? So for storing number of hours, that is the reason we have mentioned it here in hours. So it will say that 40 hours or 60 hours or 100 hours, whatever it is. Right. So that way, date and time is to specify a given day and a time. Okay. Let's say 20th May 6:30 a.m. But that is not what we want to store here, right? So for that reason. Save it. Done. So we have created, we have 7 fields here right now. So in a way we are done with this object. Now let me start creating this object client. So in case you missed on something, please do follow it now. So for creating the object, first thing, go to setup, create. So in case you have the setup menu already open in the left hand side, you again don't need to go to this. I'm just doing it to make you understand. So go to create objects, new object. So this time my object name is going to be client. So this is where I will store all my client's details. Okay, this is the table or the object, right? Where I will store my client's details and all, right? Click on save. So again, you see the same thing. The moment you created the object, 4 standard fields came by default. Any other field we want, we have to create those. So go to create custom fields. Name field is already there. What I need apart from that, let's say I need the city, country and phone. So city, you have a choice. You can make it a text field or you can make it a drop down, right? In case you want the end users to type the city, if your business is a global thing, has a global reach, and you do not want to make a list of the cities, that is a separate thing. But let's say you just operate in 2-3 cities. So in that case, you can make it a drop down. So let's make it a drop down this time for city. And let's say you have 2 options here. Click on next. Click on visible, go to next. Let me Make country also as a pick list. Right. So we have got 6 fields here for our client, 4 standard, 2 custom fields. Right. So this way you will create the backend database.
Hello?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, please.
Hello?
Yeah, who is this?
What? Yeah, this is Shakti. What I have to give in the field label? You have to give a particular city name?
Field label.
Yeah, it's showing me some
Label of
error.
the field. City. Only city. Why city name?
Yeah, it's showing me some error.
Can you share your screen and show me what error you have?
I did it.
No, you're not sharing your screen. Can you please share your screen?
Yeah, I did it.
Yeah, that is not the label. That is the values. Yeah. So pick list, when you select, you will have to put those values there. Na? What all cities will come there.
Oh.
Label is fine. There is not an error with the label. The problem is with the value where you have to put. Yes. And I would just give you guys a small suggestion that while I am sharing my screen and I am showing something, please try to follow rather than trying to do it on your own. You will have enough time to do it after it, but in case you miss these steps, you see what is the result, right? So you miss on simple things. So it will be a time-consuming affair for everyone also, and you also do not understand. So a lose-lose situation. Please try to follow, and you will be able to do. I mean, the transactions are not that difficult things here. Okay. So we have created the objects as well as fields, whatever objects we thought of and the fields. This way, in case you have 10 objects, 15 objects, whatever you have, you can create, right? And the fields under that. So from the backend point of view, we have created the tables and all those things, right? My database is ready. Now what is the next thing that I'll have to do? I have to start accessing those from the front end. From the interface, I need to access whatever objects I have created, right? So far, this is what has been created in the backend. So for that, first thing that I need here is, I need an app here for that. I need to create an app for the project management. Okay, so creating an app is also simple. Go to setup. I already told you, setup, create apps. Go to apps, new, custom app should be selected. Go to next and then just put a label and a name. So let me call it a project management app. Whatever name and label you want to give, fine. If you want, you can include a logo for the app. Instead of this logo, if you want your company's logo or something, you can include that here. You don't want to put a logo here. Okay. Now while creating an app, as I told you earlier, an app basically displays a collection of tabs. So right now we have a lot of tabs already available in our Salesforce. It shows you a complete list of tabs and it says which tabs you want to show under this app. So under the project app, which all tabs do you want? I do not want, home is by default. Home tab will